everybody. Alan Smith alongside me, Martin Tyler. Nice to have you along for the ride. In our game today, West Ham United against Brighton and Hove Albion. Well, what do you think about this, Alan? It's pretty tough to call. They're good sides, aren't they?
They are two high-caliber sides, and you look at the two sets of players, so much quality in both, and it is difficult at kick-off to separate the two.
The waiting is over. The game is off and running, and so are the players. And he read their minds. Brilliant defending in the circumstances. Here's a chance to attack. Well, he's on the attack and he's got plenty of options from his teammates. Cross. They're eyeballing each other, those two. It's a chance. And he heads it out for a throw-in. Dangerous moment. Oh! And the ball's in. It's a goal. So after the goal, we've opened the scoring here, 1-0. Attacking now. Looking to widen the play, really, widen the build-up, but the ball's just run straight out over the touchline. This is the chance. Has to get it away. That's a clever run by his teammate off the ball. Some options now for the pass. Possession regained, almost in the nick of time, really. Well, he has got some support to his right. Here's the opportunity. Well, I wouldn't call that defending, he's away, and he shoots. Right in there again, looking for another goal.
Yeah, and after the way he took that first goal, I thought he'd bury this one.
In quickly. Here come the supporting cast for him. Well, he has a He's reached it and he's caught it with a save. Brilliant. The tackling, it's a real skill. Defender raised his leg to block it. Could be dangerous. Now here is a chance for them. Looked a bit panicky from the defender. It's an excellent break here because he's got support. Came in with a challenge. Zuma. Showing it's a physical game when it's a fair one too, and that's a great challenge. Good defending. Hey, there's the back heel. If he wants to keep this attack going, that's where the support is. On the right. Well, he's got support here. And now can he score? And now they've got a corner on the attack again, the team that's leading by 1 goal. Well, the referee has signalled for half-time, and it's 1-0 here. The first half of goals, and perhaps not glory. Odd, isn't it?
We haven't seen many chances at all. I just wonder whether both sides are going to open up a little bit after the break.
Well, the West Ham fans in good voice at half-time, having seen a good first half performance from their team. Second half underway. Here he is with a chance, and he takes the shot. Oh, the keeper got a touch to it to make the save. Well, they're a goal up, and now they've got a corner here. And in comes the header. That's one from the training ground, Alan, and it nearly produced a goal.
Well, normally you have to make it work first time because the opposition will wise up after that.
Well, when the corner came in, you thought maybe, but it hasn't worked out that way. Well, now the referee's seen that as a foul. It is a free kick. Quick free kick. Well, this attack has got a bit of menace to it. Decided to make a change, and being behind, you can understand that. And the ball goes out for a goal kick. You have to be a good player to wait a pass like that. A little dink, really. And either side, he's got players who can help him here. In comes the challenge. And he shoots. It's a goal. Well, that has made it 2-0. And it's passed back again. Neatly done. Good challenge by the defender. Very good control, though. Well, they're going to start from the back because it's a back pass to the keeper. Out for a throw and over the touchline. Played into the middle. That's a very crisp challenge there. Taken it well under pressure. The ref blows for the free kick. And the goalkeeper opting to hang on. He hangs on well. James Milner. It's good play until they got that challenge in. Didn't get much time to see that, the goalkeeper. Good save. They've got a corner now. Well, they'll be hoping to do better with their corners, really. That wasn't very good. He's got to score. Well, he's on the attack and he's got plenty of options from his teammates. Got past him. Well, he has a go. Well, that's straight at the goalkeeper. Easy for him to hang on. James Milner. And that tackle has got him the ball. Well, now they're behind. They've got to try and switch things around. And here comes a substitution. James Milner. That's gone back to him. If he wants support, he's certainly got it in this attack. And the defender has done very well here, got his foot in. Support coming up on his left here. Three minutes. That's all that's left now. Promising build-up until that challenge. Well, he tried his luck from a long way out, but the goalkeeper had no problems at all. Wonderful interception. It's finished now with the final whistle. Pleased to win the match, I guess, because that's what you do whenever you play, but as a friendly game, more than just the result, Alan, for them.
I think so. I take a lot of heart from that, because not only did they win, but they played well along the way.
I do hope you've enjoyed what has been a truly terrific game from Alan Smith and myself, Martin Tyler. Good